I started growing really when I was about 7 or 8 years old with my father. My father was only a farm worker, but he was sensible enough to give me a square yard of his garden. He raked it over and he gave me 3 packets of seed. So within a matter of about 5 weeks, I invited my friend over and we had a big thick sandwich of radish, mustard and cress with lashings of salad cream on it. That's what I like to see. A bit of length and a bit of weight. My father used to exhibit at the local shows and I used to go with him every time. And what also stuck in my mind was when we started doing bigger shows like Shrewsbury, walking in there and seeing all these collection of vegetables staged with the backboards against the tent. And that was something I wanted to emulate. We did that for about 5 or 6 years, winning a gold every time, a large gold there. And I ventured then on to Chelsea. Well, you can't just go to Chelsea and ask if you can enter. You've got to prove yourself that you're capable of putting up a display worthy of the most prestigious show on earth. And after that, we won 11 consecutive golds. To get a gold medal there is the equivalent of the Olympic Games for me in horticulture. And I couldn't have done it really only for CANNA, for their kind sponsorship and for their excellent products that we're starting this year to use and hopefully we'll be using more and more as we progress through. Never had less than a gold. Perhaps till this time, we never know. My God, that's good. Bloody hell. That's a bit of alright, isn't it? Now this is a brand new parsnip. Nobody else has grown this yet, only me. Don't snap the root. Don't snap the root. It's still attached. How long is that bugger? That's got to be up to here, not bad. When I get there on Friday tea time, I'll be relaxing because I'll have 4 big tables in front of me. We'll have a trolley full of veg and we can start building up the display. And that's where the real enjoyment is for me. You see, I firmly believe that vegetables, when they're naked, like I put them on display, they're more beautiful than flowers, with the added bonus that you can eat them. So let's hope we can do the job for CANNA and for myself. Like a bloody mad fool, I've come back again to do this. But I just love growing vegetables and in particular staging them. I do get a kick out of it. My wife is the boss, so we have to obey. I'll never stop bloody obeying. Well, today is press day. It's a less stressful day, at least. It's always a mingling of very important people and some of them are on television, etc. It's been judged this morning. We're not going to know what we had until tomorrow morning. The RHS have a wonderful way of doing it. The girls will come round in the middle of the night tonight and they'll place the cards on every display, just like Father Christmas coming. It's a wonderful feeling when you come here first thing in the morning and you'll see your card, and some people are in tears, others will jump for joy. If it wasn't for CANNA stepping in and giving me a good sponsorship, we wouldn't be here again. And I really did want to do another one at least. I don't know what I'll do, I might collapse in a heap, I'm that tired.